Okay. Well, so literally everything went wrong. We're here now. Hello. Welcome. Just finishing getting everything up and running. Yeah, that was a disastrous start. Oh no. Blockbench is oh no, Blockbench is switching on this. Activate subtitles. Stream. Okay. I think okay. Yes, Lily first. Well done. Congratulations. You do the thing. Yeah, my webcam wasn't like first I was like, I was just gonna be like 5 minutes late. That doesn't matter too much. But then my camera refused to work, and I had to like troubleshoot that. Turns out I just need to restart my phone. Just... Oh, okay. Good luck with your piano playing. Thanks for stopping by. Boss. So today we're continuing on with our Figura learning experience. Much to do, much to learn. It's been quite the experience so far. But now I'm figuring out how to make legs bend. So I was talking to Yemi the other day about doing exactly this. Now I was under the assumption that you can just, like, write animations by just naming it the same thing. It's telling me, in fact, we need a script for this. So I've got to go some fishing, troll the oceans on my search engine boat. See if we can find that script might have been. Animate. Oh, yeah. Let's see if the AI is gonna give us anything. Occasionally. Oh. Animation settings. King animation. Let's see. You need some scripting within Figura's animation. The default walking animation is to override it using script. Animation. Right? Seems like I've already been sniffing around these. So I made a model and a walk, exported it, used it as an add-on. Small. Slides? I don't know. Keys. Okay, it looks like this. Oh, add move. Let's see. This animation is global. Blockbench is tricking you. If you look at your animations in Blockbench, names, smaller name in gray is the actual animation. Okay, well let's have a look. But one leg that's all split up. What I want to do, I want to test this out by first making a idle animation that's just gonna do something. I don't know, kind of flex a little leg. Now I've done animation, seen me do animation in for example. But also I've done quite a bit of animation in Blender. That was a good time. That. So add an animation here, I presume that's what we're doing. And we're gonna call this idle. Once to loop. Okay. Oh, and we want it to be an override. So idle. Right. Idle animations. Right settings and Blockbench. This is set parent, rights, art, and panel. Okay. Oh, here we go. Simple idle walk sprint crash setup. Ha! This is exactly what we need. Idle. Full script. Okay. Okay, so aim idle, it's an override, and Lassitude, welcome! Hello! We're learning Figura. So, apparently it has two names. Okay, so we have an animation. Have this group. Data. Ah, it's adding a keyframe. Okay, cool. So add a key. So dude, how you doing? Marker. There, and then that. Back. It does set a keyframe. Okay, that's cool. Ray, welcome! We're back in Figura. Just doing some experimenting. And now... Okay, that should set a keyframe. Now, if we... a second. And then... leg. That. And a leg. Down like that. Then, can we select these two? And see, we can control C control. So yeah, that's nice. Chaos, you made it! Welcome! Oh man, everything went wrong with trying to set up today's stream. First of all, I was very much distracted by... Oh man, I'm so hyped about the idea of making like a Western you know, like a cowboy Western. Oh, okay. Let me know when you're back. I actually want to talk to you about League. But yes, good luck. Have fun. Miss you. But yes, I was very, very distracted by that, having a really fun time, like, concepting stuff. Oh, I haven't put out the, Discord ping. Oh, no. Um, like, everyone's showing up anyway, though. Uh, um, and then I tried starting up the stream, and my camera wasn't working. It was disastrous. Uh, Fortunately, all I had to do was restart restart my camera, and I got everything working. But yes, thank you so much everyone for coming along. Today we're going to be doing, more Figura stuff. I'm learning how to do animation now. So, as previously mentioned, this will be transferable to Hypixel. So if anyone's interested in playing or modding for Hypixel, making custom characters, this will probably be applicable in the near future. What I've read, Hypixel and Blockbench are working together. So, this is our first ever animation. He's just lifting his leg up and then putting it back down. This is going to be a 2-second. Well, that's the playback speed. Playback length. Okay, so if we just play button. Oh, okay, so it just so it automatically picks the last frame as the ending. That's handy. So flexing his leg like that. That's gonna be our quote unquote idle animation. Again, just for testing. Let's close down and anything that's not absolutely necessary. Okay, we're 65%. We're good. So initial animation. I don't think it's named right. So according to the documentation of Figura, it says Blockbench is tricky. If you look at your animation in Blockbench, there's two names. The smaller name after gray is the actual animation. You can't use the method above to play the animation if it's like this image. You have two options. Rename the animation or deal with the long animation name. Option 1. Rename the animation. Deal with the animation by changing the code. How do I code? Well, it says if it looks like this, yeah, you can't use the method above to play the animation if it looks like the image. But if it looks like this, which it doesn't, it's bad. But it seems like if it looks like this, it's good? Okay, I don't know what that was. Let's change that back to 2. Yeah, I think we're... let's continue. Here we go. Simple walk, sprint, crouch setup. Let's try looking around a little bit more. Custom player animation. Okay, this is Figura. Oh wait, no, this is the same thing as this. Yeah. The different Yeah, it's the exact same content, just a different wiki. Well, that's depressing. Um, Running vanilla animation. Okay, so I did that. Did that. Okay, I think we're good. I think. Okay. Smooth. Is instruction. Run Lua. Oh, run Lua. That's actually really cool. Run Lua. Okay. But how do we add script? Simple walk crash animation. Let's just try saving this. Control this. Saved as high level. And see what happens if we just load up Minecraft with this. It's worth a try, right? Let's find our codes. Mod loader. So let's how about and Figura tab. Start by opening up the that's the one I want. Start by opening up the updating our Figura text character. Here and then big and a lot of avatar. Place. Yeah. Let's oh error method. I have no idea what that means. Hopefully it's okay.
Kan build a mod.
Having difficult time. Computer, you can do it. You can do it. Go, computer, go. I should probably subtitles are up here. They're covering up a little. open up caption. Oh no, add to my. Hey, so now up. Our test well. Getting all scratchy. Uh, up. Hi, sheep. Hold on. And okay, so it's not idle. That's okay. Was not expecting that to work out of the back. Looks like we have to add in our animation scripts. How do we do? It's a question. Well, got our documentation here. Let's see if there's any playing animation. Play animation. Animation. It is in, and the animations below. So we have a named example. Animation named idle. I just add this to this script.lua. Possibly. Let's give it a go. Bando! So this is all about uh physics stuff. We just paste the animation stuff suggested here. And clear out the idle. No. Oh. Okay, so don't need any of that. And we don't need any of it. So if we save this, and we try running our Figura thing again, perhaps that's all it needs. That seems to be all it needs. See if anything else comes up. This. You can try vanilla animation. Setting a Blockbench for animation as per publish. Is it? Oh, it's not green. That means. So it's set. It's good. But a documentation issue. Actually, hang on. Maybe we're just being. Yeah, okay, so it's blue here. I think that's just their UI. Running global space? Yeah, document global space? It's like, it's not space. I can see a little bit of the icon there. Okay, I think we're pretty good. Let's give this a go. And maybe we'll get lucky. And different starbound thing. An afternoon space. Sounds good. Starbound lo-fi music. Space beats to relax and study to. Ooh. Hmm. People music. Oh! SMM top. That's new. Let's see. Waha. Okay. For a minute while we're in Minecraft. And let's see if it worked. So if we go F5, F5, and uh, uh set this to peaceful mode. Zombies growling in our ear. High Luddle, done. Still nothing. Alright, well, an attempt was made. Okay. Animation. Animation. Using the override setting in Blockbench. This is set animation, and it overrides per part and per channel scale. It only overrides while the animation. Did you get any errors? Ah, I think we need these back. Not walking, not crouching. So it's not triggering because none of these things exist for to not, perhaps? Right? Right, let's save this. And we'll have another peek before we give that a try. See if there's anything else we might fix. Set playing exam. Okay. Animation idle will play whenever crouching. Let's try this. This. This is what it's suggesting we that there. And animation example. But here. Idle is not named right. Well, we can give it a go. Maybe it'll be fine. Oh, hang on. Then this is not gonna be fine. Crouching. Animation. Example. This example must be our, character name, right? Let's take a look. Okay, Blockbench model named example. Okay, so it seems like example is our Blockbench name. So if we call this, yes, I've updated some of the alerts now. Raptor is a 3D modeler and avatar developer who also puts in massive effort into planning and organizing some awesome community events for us. Easily worth a follow if you haven't already. I still have a few left to update, but I did a couple last night. Um, Lily? I think we're in the... I think we're editing the wrong thing. Alert! Alert! Without saving. We're editing Lily's. No wonder nothing was working. Script.lua. That's the one we want. We want the Hilotl one. Ha! Okay. That was never gonna work. So, that's the right one. Let's see. Nation Hilotl. Idle. That plane crashes. Okay, so now when it's crashing, it should run our idle animation. Perhaps. See. But yeah, how going my day in the chat? Oh, music. Okay, let's put some music for a minute. And see. Got. So if the script is right, might be. Names might be. But if it's correct and everything's set up right, it should play a little leg lifting animation to go to a little more. Done. Back to game. F5, 5, front view, and brow. Oh, it works! I mean, it doesn't work, but it kind of works. Oh, okay. We're doing it. Okay, things are happening. Things are happening. Let's go. Okay. So now we know how to do that. Okay, sky's the limit. Let's go. Breakthrough. Revelation. This is all. This is absolutely right. So, can now clear out the fellas. Feet. Now, see. Now we can set up our running animation. So first, let us update that script. So this is the testing one that they recommend. Animation. Okay, this is what they're suggesting for you riding everything else. A idle, a walk, sprint, and a crouch. Separated out. Now, here, add in a little here. So, make it easy, like when we're scrolling, find where everything is. This is physics of excellent naming. And all these functions are well enough named that I don't need to add anything. Let's do ours. Okay. Oh, okay. Free software. Okay, so about idle, I want to add a ooh, what did it put here? Just walk, right? Example. Oh, we gotta change all these to hilotl. Hilotl, 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 and then we need one called walk. We'll save that. So, new animation. This one's called walk. Set to override. It's gonna be looping. I think the rest of that is good. Confirm. Now then. Us. This. I want it to snap. Snapping on. Trailed. Snapping. Add a snap? Oh, snapping mode. In snap mode, say no. Oh well. Right, like low. Okie dokie. So I'm just gonna animate one leg again for testing. That's there. I don't know, there. And then this out. And then what's that all? Interesting. Oh, it's trying to loop. I see what you're doing here. That's okay. Main one's gonna come down. Now, it's gonna straighten out. So, it's gonna go forwards, hit the ground, there. And it's gonna slide under. If I see the, there we go. And then the leg is going to start sliding under. So. And so. Out, hits the ground, slides under the body. see how that looks. Okay, that's looking pretty good. Forward, hits the ground, slides under. And then we're going to continue sliding under the body. Like so. Straighten out like so. Down, hitting the ground. Okay, it's clipping a little, but this is just for testing. Cross, out. Landing. Getting under the body. And then it's going to continue sliding under. And it's going to kind of kick off, like so. Swing up, down, kick off. Down, off. Eventually. Actually, hang on, we can just copy and paste YouTube. Swings forward. And that's our loop. Let's have a look. Okay, that's very amateurish, but it's not bad for like an opening. It actually that's pretty good. Pretty okay. I'm actually quite happy with that. So, let us stop that. This is our walk animation. It's set to override. I think we've done everything correct. And I'm gonna go File, Save As, and I'm gonna start saving this in the correct place. So in the Figura instance rather than in my my working folder, which is what I'm used to doing. But I think I'm starting to learn to trust the Figura instancing. Just gotta find it. I can't. Yeah, that's annoying. Gotta find this location manually. That's okay. I can do this. Shouldn't take too long. Let's see. Location. Location. Ah, here we go. Document. So I'm just doing this on my second screen while I'm going through my like file. Oh, cursor. There we go. Cursor. Minecraft. Instances. Figura tests. Figura. Avatars. Model. Save. Okay, cool. So now when I save it, like I can just less here without having to over. Saves a bit of time. Okay. Now music. Because otherwise it'll get all scratchy. Okay. Okay. Exos, welcome! Hello, hello! We're doing Minecraft Figura stuff. Sorry, Minecraft custom character stuff. Right now we're doing animations, figuring out how to override the default animations with ones where the legs actually bend, which is something that I'm kinda passionate about. You know, the leg thing is cute and all, but I'm interested in seeing what else we can do. Some let's hide a little one. Oh, interesting. What's going on here? Oh, the script contains an error. Okay. Huh. Ah, I know what's going on here. This is actually an easy fix. It's because we don't have this animation getting upsetty about us trying to call. So if we now, how are you? I'm doing well. It's been a bit of a lonely stream, not gonna lie. Everyone seems to be busy today, but that's okay. I don't mind. I'm happy just doing my Figura stuff. Ah, there we go. Success. Okay, and it works. It looks like she's got one broken leg. But one of them's walking, one of them's bending. I can't see with all this grass about. Let's find somewhere a bit flatter. Uh, for testing. But yes, I'm doing well. How are you doing, Nexus? I do quite like the savanna biome, so just need somewhere without grass. Can we find a desert, maybe? Nexus says, I'm doing perfect. I'm only a little bit worried. Oh no, what you worried about? Have you been doing crimes? Like, oh no, biome, savanna trees. They look kind of like mushrooms at certain angles. Sorry for Lily. Oh no, what's Lily up to? Last time I heard they were just doing some piano lessons. Alright, I'm just gonna set fire to this grass. What's that? Oh. Uh, actually, lava. Lava bucket. Lava. And, actually, why am I using lava? I can just... Uh, Lily was playing piano on stream and she had nails on and she hit the piano and hurt her nail. Aww. That's okay. Nails grow back. She'll be... did she have to cancel the stream or something? She's tough. She's tough as nails, in fact. Okie dokie. That's that. Now we have some clear space to see what we're doing. Okay. That actually looks kind of cute, like she's hopping. But I'm actually really happy with how that leg's animating. That's actually off to an excellent start. So what do you mean by she hit the piano and hurt her nail? Like, are you saying she had fake nails and she just broke one of them off? Because that's no big deal. She's streaming, but on the Be Right Back background. She'll be okay. Nails break all the time, buddy. Fine. So, awesome success. Now we're just gonna do the exact same thing for the other leg. Um, oh, yeah, just fake nails. I mean, they can be expensive, but it's just a nail. She's probably just having a bit of a moment about her nail getting broken off. Everything will be daijoubu. Okay, so that's that. Uh, so we're gonna rename this to right leg top, and then we're gonna duplicate it. Wait, doesn't that hurt? It does, but it's nothing, you know, permanent. Well, I mean, I've never had fake nails, but I've had partners who have and have broken them, and it's mostly the distress of something that you really appreciate, because you know, fake nails, they can put a lot of work in. It takes like a lot of work to get them attached, and a lot of work to get them, you know, painted up and pretty, and you know, I like their nails. It's quite distressing, but not hugely painful, so far as I've seen. Okay, so that's our left leg. Gotta set the pivot point now. And oh no, we don't have to worry about the pivot. So actually, let's set the pivot point anyway. And left leg low. Now you need to put into a group. So, always girls, grills, classic grill moment. Let's see, add a group here. Gotta get the naming convention right. So this is left leg, and then we put our, and then we put another group in that, and this left foot, left in there, and then we put our left leg low into, and now I want to, so that's, oh, we've got to set the pivot too. Left leg, so it should be one, so in the middle and one pixel back. Lily! Yay! Hey Lily, how's your nail? Nexus was just telling us that you hit your nail. Did it break off? Did it crack? Did it like actually? Oh yeah, when they crack down the middle, that can be extremely painful. Actually, yeah, it depends. I guess it depends on how it broke. But yeah, Nexus was saying that they're worried about you. It's adorable. Okay, that's awesome. Oh, Lily, I don't suppose you saw the animation we've been working on. It's looking pretty good. So, it broke. Like, yeah, half my real nails. Oh, okay. But did it crack like lengthways, or did it crack horizontal? Like, Let me switch what I mean. Any excuse to bring out my black arm. Also, are you streaming right? So you got your like your nail here. It's the lighter part. Did it crack across like this way? Or did it crack? So this is vertical. Or did it crack down this way? Horizontal. Because yeah, this way sucks. This way's a fucking nightmare. Oh no! Oh, okay, yeah, that's a whole... Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, they say... 99% of the time when someone's broken their nail, it's like across this ways. The 1% that it's like this, that's... Okay. Wrap it up. Let's just wrap it up. I've had that happen to me once before. It was very unpleasant. Very, very unpleasant. Yeah, you just gotta somehow get some kind of bandaging. If you've got any steri strips, they can be very, very helpful with this. So if you've got like a first aid kit handy. And I know you think you're tough, but you really do want to properly treat this. If in your first aid kit you have anything that looks like this, they can be very helpful. They're not like band-aids. They're kind of like just lengths, and you can just that to kind of like along the nail. You just kind of like tape it together. If you don't have anything, oh, you got these? Okay, good. I was gonna say if you don't have these, you can take a band-aid and cut it so that it doesn't have the pad part, and then just use the sticky part on your nail to hold it together. But yeah, you wanna get them pressed together, nice and tight, so they hopefully can heal. Lily, any head pads? Thing. Okay. Let's see. Lily. So let's see if I can. So right leg. Can we right click B and then paste through a left leg? That would be awesome. Right click. A paste. Ah. Okay. Up all of these. Next it says, why are they glued on that hard on the real nail so they don't come off? Yeah, because you're doing shenanigans with your nails all the time. It's very easy for them to just, yeah, you don't want them just falling off during day-to-day activities. Okay, so let's make this bigger. So this is all of our current animations. That's dangerous? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so let's copy. It's our left leg low. These in there. And why does no? I'm not one to judge. Great shout out. Let's go. Okay, so now all that back. See how that looks. That looks terrible. The heck's going on? Oh, it seems like I crunched them together. Oh, if you move too far to the side, they kind of like compress. Nexus says, yeah, I can judge. I know long enough. Fair enough. Um, yeah, people get fake nails early. Why are you now going so long? Bro! Bro, we have disastrous news. Lily broke their fake nail and they cracked their IRL nail. Poor thing. Yeah. Oh, Lily, welcome back. Did you manage to get it, patched up? Okay, good. 60 frames per second. How do I set the animation length? Yes, many pads. Yeah, I hope it heals up, Lily. Crow, have you ever had fake nails? Does it hurt, Lily? I know you're a tough little creature, but it's curious. Why does it that little stall thing? Let's try playing that. And again, why does it continue on? There's no frames out there. Little. Never had fake nails. Ah, okay. Um. Yeah. Yeah. No. No. I'm curious as that like how much it hurts. Like how far down, I guess, the crack went. Be a better question. Let's do some Googling. Blockbench animation length. How should I say that? Okay, so is it like from the base? Is it like half the way down? A third of the way down? Quarter of the way down? 50%? Oh my goodness, that's insane. Cute. Texturing. Animations. Default animation. Creating animation. Ah, whatever. I'm sure it's fine. Oh, Creo says the finger has a lot more nerves, so nails chipping slash getting broken can hurt pretty bad. I lost half of it accidentally once. Oh no. Yeah, we sent Lily off to get some steri strips to try and patch it up. We don't know how effective that's gonna be. Stop there randomly. Oh, I know why you're stopping there. Because These two are the same. So what I need to do is get rid of one of these two. So I guess that one and that one. Pause to there. Grab U, C, Q there. That should put. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I'd like to get the feet animating as well. Be nice to have some bobbing happening, but that's pretty rad. Lily says, but it was kind of my fault. I took long nails, so I was done playing. Yeah, don't. I'm not a fan of long nails. They seem horribly impractical. Anyway, Crow, how are you doing? Welcome back. Okay, Control S. I think that's all we need to do. And then, yeah, let's boot up, Minecraft again. Just trying to be productive. Ooh, what you working on? I'm working on a certificate. Trying to figure out pacing, / due dates, so I get dopamine my progress. Ooh, that's smart. That's very smart, yeah. Gaming those dopamine receptors. Gamification. I'm a huge fan of gamification. Awesome. Khan Academy is the first place where I saw like real well done gamification and so impressed. Okay. See how it looks. Whoa! Oh, hang on. Okay, and I think I know what's wrong. That looks pretty rad. Broken, but pretty good. Rad. Minecraft! Yes, Minecraft! Okay, so. Is there a way to set the animation length? Set to loop. Hold on last frame. Time update? And wait. Okay. Blockbench. Set animation length. Yeah, and by string BRB. Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. You can't play piano with a cracked nail, goodness. The length slide. Oh, okay, open animation. Use the length slider in the panel to adjust. Oh, this thing! Ah! Okay. Okay. Well, let's reload it. Aim. That's pretty good. Oh, wow. I'm pretty happy with that. Do 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 do. The animation could be a little faster, I think. And we could like have some bobbing happening, but that looks pretty rad. Yeah, it's completely out of sync with the arms. But yeah, I still have one hand left. Really, such a true. Yeah, so it's sliding on along the ground quite a bit, so that they need to be faster for sure. But yeah. And then that's the running animation. Yeah, the walking animation looks great. Really happy with that. The running animation looks fucking hilarious. I'm actually really happy with that. Oh, it's because I haven't set the running animation yet, so it's kind of like I think it's like doing halfway between the walking animation and the default Minecraft running animation. But yeah, that walk, it's just the legs. That looks pretty good. That looks really good. I'm so happy with that. And that was only supposed to be like a test run. Let's go. Winning so hard right now. Um, Also, Crow, say certificate. Are you getting like some kind of online accreditation certificate? Like, one of those online boot camp thing? Or is this, or are you doing more, I thought you graduated uni. Oh, the other thing we need to figure out is how. Ah, working on a data analytics certificate made by Google. Oh, that one. So I can just work on it online. I'm doing it because it has SQL in there. Hmm, hmm. I think I learned MySQL through Code Academy. Yes. Yes, I did mine through Code Academy. They had a fantastic, this will all be free now. I think they're charging for it now. Okay. If they're charging now. Academy. Oh wow, this looks completely different to when I was there. JavaScript. Wait, is that in here? Intro to SQL. Oh yeah, so there are still free ones. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, but yeah, I learned it through Code Academy, and then I learned the rest of it on the job. Ah, yes, yes, yes. Okay, so we're gonna ramp everything up a little, just a little. Gonna be uh, but yes, I've heard good things about the Google. Oh, okay, never mind. I stream outside again, then I don't need my finger or nail. Oh, okay. Going for an adventure stream. Let's go. Wait, are you back in Japan? There you go. Why is everything wrong? Oh, because I haven't. Oh, I see why. Okay, I've only done one leg. Why you ask? Yeah. You mean one on Coursera? I've done that one. Oh, pretty good. Oh, okay, awesome. That's through the process. And it's Google too, so they'll that certificate will be worth quite a bit, I think. Like on your resume. If anyone knows data science, it'd be the Google bots. There we go. Okay. Well, S, and let's see how this looks. Hey. Well, good luck, Crow. Um, I mean, it's been a long time, and it probably won't take very long for you to way surpass me. But if you have any questions about SQL, like you know, early on, let me know. I probably won't be any good by week 3, but if you've got any questions week 1 and 2, then I might have some idea what's going on. Welcome. I wish I could be of more help, but yeah, it's been a while since I've done any SQLing, and it wasn't that good back when I was. Just like a side thing that I was expected to do on top of my PHPing. Okay. I've forgotten what we changed, but let's take a look. Oh, that's right, we squeezed down the animation, so. Okay, it's better. Still not quite fast enough though. I think we need to bring it in a little more. Wish we could play music while we're doing this. But unfortunately. I gotta go out, see you later. Okay, bye Lily! Good luck out there! Make sure you look after your broken fingers. Let it get infected. Man, I do sound like a dad now. I'd be careful. Hmm. Did you disinfect it? Did you disinfect it though? Did you like run it over with an alcohol swab and maybe put some betadine on it? I don't know if you have betadine where you are, but it's kind of like a universal cure-all where we are. Okay, let's control this and see. This looks really so many little bit. Okay. Oh, oh, that's perfect. If the error text would just go away, get out of here. There we go. Nice. Back. Okay, we just need to animate the arms. What my mind is blowing. For real though, make sure you like. I presume you've wrapped it up, but I hope you ran it over with an alcohol swab first. I love that running animation. I might just keep that. But yeah, just got to do the arm animation now. Yeah, of course I did. I'm not dumb. Look, I'm not saying you'd be dumb. You just, no. I don't know if you've like done any first aid stuff. Okay. Bye, Lily. Good luck out there. It looks odd when you're walking backwards, but I guess that can't be helped. All right. Got the antenna wag. But yeah, I wonder if there's a swim animation we can override. Ooh, that actually looks okay. It does some weird banana leg stuff, but it doesn't look half bad. Okay, cool. It is looking. I'm actually like very impressed, very surprised at how that was. I was expecting it to be like a whole thing, but we're actually making excellent progress with the animation so far. So now we're gonna go back and into the modeling thing and split the arms. Actually, I'd quite like to bring the legs so they come back far enough. Just looks like they don't go back far enough from third person view. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Anyway, let's do it. How you doing? Alright, head, fin. Okay, so this is my head stuff. Body stuff. Here we go. Here's the arms. Back up the legs. Doing good. Wonderful. You been up to anything today? I'm thinking. Oh, there we go. Box will be right back. animation. It's Nyan Cat? Cute. Okay, I'm gonna go for a quick bathroom break. I'll be back in just a sec. Zoom! Oh, have I returned? Yes, I have returned! Hello, hello! Stop. Oh, there it is. Okay. Well, here you go. Acidute says, all good. Made a LinkedIn post looking back at what I did last year, and it's getting good views and 10% likes and impressions. Oh, okay, which is very high. Normally I wouldn't care about that stuff, but it's nice to see it's so positive. Yeah. I haven't used LinkedIn much. I think I've got a profile up somewhere. Is it in Sanctuary? But yeah, that's actually very impressive. Most people don't do much with LinkedIn posts. Very, very cool. It's getting a whopping 10% likes on impressions. So yeah, well done. Oh my goodness. Bro, do you want to explain? Care to explain? Why is this appearing in my feed? It's incredible. It's also very impressed that it's like the first thing that appears in my feed. That's so cool. Tab. So apparently Crow made this. Why are you looking? Because I don't know. It just appeared on my second screen. But it's so cool. Even made a like little scar and everything. Wait, you made this? Wait, you made? How did you? How did you make this? You got hair. This is like, this is extreme. But how? I need to know. Like, what? Also, I like this little mochi thing. It's incredible. You did an amazing job there. Like, truly incredible. I'm actually in awe of your He looks like he could come alive at any minute and beat me up. Hilo. Oh, Pio Pico on YouTube helped me make it. Oh, wonderful. So let's break up these arms. Let's break some arms. Wah. Okay, there's that. And then we okay, down. And then we move next two down. So, and done. Yo Pico, where have I heard that name before? I've heard that name a lot. Hang on, let me look that up. Yo Pico sounds very familiar. Oh, cute! Oh. I have a friend who would be very interested in seeing this. Oh, is that how... I have a friend I need to send this to. Okay, I'm 100% gonna be watching this later. This looks like fun, but I can't. I don't want to be a React streamer. I'm not quite there yet. We haven't got. We're not that far gone. Yemi, welcome, Yemi. I did a thing. I did a thing. Come see my thing. Also, welcome. How you doing, Yemi? Gasp. Like, I got animations working, and you were right. It does need a little bit of scripting, but this is all it really needed. And most is just comments. Oh, hang on. This here is all that was really needed. Animation overrides, and you just add that to the script, and it's done. I say done, but you haven't seen what's done. But I'm so excited. P.S. Welcome, Yummy. How you doing? I'm continuing on with the Stylebound stream. I found a library that lets us do it without scripting. Oh, okay. Yes, I remember you talking about that, but I don't remember. It's probably in the resources section um in your server. I don't know why I forgot to look there until now, but I went to the Figura wiki, and I had stuff there. Let's go to our Hilotl. Look, it's got bendy legs. He actually walks. Oh, no, no, it's okay. Don't mind the mood, Lily. Yummy. Don't mind the mood at all. How, like, do you want to talk? Okay, if you'd like to be distracted, we can do that. If you want to talk about it, we can also do that. Welcome back, Chaos. Um, I love the way it runs. This is not intentional, but it's still hilarious. The best unintentional. Hang on, let's. The best unintentional running animation. She does look good, doesn't she? I'm currently working on the arms right now. I'm making level 2. Feels like a final boss. Wait, what do you mean model? Little tail? I'm very happy with the tail. The swimming animation I haven't actually touched yet, but just with splitting the legs up. Like they're a bit noodly, but I think that's looking pretty dang good. Making a dragon for a friend. Ooh, awesome. They do. But no, okay, okay. I know that. I know. But the point of that was that I actually haven't worked on that animation at all. That's the default animation. And yeah, the fact that like apart from the bending the wrong way just a little, that they're still pretty good, I think is a pretty good sign. There's actually very little work needs to be done to those. But yeah, we can figure it together. Um, getting all this going. Yes, good gang. I think Chaos was talking about maybe having a go at Figura. Are we ready after I pour some coffee? Okay, yes, get caffeinated. Caffeination. And we're back. Probably. Mostly. A bit. So, let's see. Arms. Arms. Okay, so the arms. Now, when you animate, you don't actually animate. Um, very place for the PvP. You don't actually animate individual blocks. You animate. Oh, that's what you said. Not even necessarily wrong. It's animation, so whatever looks good. Yes, I would like to. Well, I actually do quite like how it bends in like the reverse direction, but maybe not quite that extreme. It is a nice look. It's accidental, but I think I might keep a little bit of that. I'll do Figura after exams. Okay, well by then I should have the tutorials done. So you can maybe use those. I'm looking forward to getting back into tutorializing. How you doing, by the way? I'm doing much better. I was feeling a little lonely at the start of stream, but I'm feeling much better now. It's and making such good progress with this is also good. And man, Chaos, I've been cooking so hard on the cowboy western Morkborg idea. Oh my goodness, I've been watching. Okay. So I've been watching Civil War documentaries, like the American Civil War, the one that happens in like I think it was like the 1800s, and yeah, getting lots of inspiration for how like a campaign. Oh no, it's fine, it's fine. No, it's not your fault, Chaos. It's all me. Um, yes, that's why I was late initially, and then there was the left arm lower, and then there was the problem with my camera, but everything worked out in the end. Okay, so now let's but yeah. I was working on a sort of a system that I'm actually pretty proud of. But yeah, I'll yap about this on the Discord. So I'm quite partial to making the split, the pivot point, slightly forwards of the split, so that forwards of the joint, so that when they bend, you get a bit of a split here. And they obviously clip a bit. Might actually be better to bring it even. Bit of overlap here. I might even want to put a cube in here that rotates. Nah, we don't want to go that far. I want to keep some blockiness about. But the idea is that these will kind of swing that way. And this way. And then, yeah, the arms can swing. Oh. You do. But yeah, Chaos, how's your day been? Let's see. So this is our right arm. Actually, how did these lift? Check. Oh, that looks pretty good. And if it pictures like this, and then... Yeah, I'm happy with that. Yeah, says my day was good. I took the English exam in the morning. Oh, I got home, slept, then played with a friend until now. Oh, awesome. So how did the exam go? Huh. Aw. Oh, Rizzy, hello! Okay, left arm. Okay, so now we got to do the exact same thing to the right arm. So we'll start by... Actually, I'm going to start by... this down by 1 so we can see where the break is on the side. Let me just do that. Rizzy, hello! How you doing, buddy? Chaos says, we had to write an essay about what jobs will be taken by AI and what jobs will thrive with AI. Oh, that's interesting. That's actually very, very interesting. I think that's important to think about. Not just the depressive aspects of all the jobs that are going to be taken away by AI, but also the ones that are going to be created, but also improved, I think. Enabled. Because it's kind of happening whether we like it or not at this point. And I have I have opinions, but I think at this point it's kind of become inevitable. And so it's good that they've got you thinking about how to work in the new system. I just wrote what the teacher wants to hear, not necessarily what I believe. Oh, okay. Well, that's unfortunate, because I feel like it's quite... Yeah. I feel like it's quite important to think about this, though. Because there are a lot of industries that are going away, and just, like, covering your ears and screaming la 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 isn't going to, help. It's scary, though. Scary times we live in. Uni is so obsessed with AI. I mean, they really are. I've heard hilarious stories about, like, assignments written by AI given to the students who then immediately use AI to complete the assignment, which are then given back to lecturers who then use AI to mark the assignments. At this point, it's just AI, like... People might as well not show up at this point. We're completely redundant. I think I told you about that yesterday, though. Okay, so we want the pivot point to be in the middle and back 1 pixel. Lower. There's the pivot point there, so we want it to be in the middle. About there, and back 1 pixel. That's it. That's what we want. Oh no, on the outside. It'll be easier to see if it's on the outside. Most of the time, we're only 3 students in class. Oh! Out of a total of 20. So 20 people have signed up? Or there's 20 slots? Or... Is it mostly online? Or something? Like, does your lecturer put all the lectures and stuff online? Yummy! Welcome back! Yes, caffeination, let's go. Okie dokie, so that's the arms split. Now... 20 students in our class, but only 3 of us show up. Huh? No, but are the other ones just not, like, doing the course? Or are they, like, doing it just, like, doing the online component stuff? Like, watching the lectures online and stuff? I'm a huge fan of, online learning. I think that the COVID-19 thing, everyone getting online, could have been awesome. It wasn't, but we have some courses online. Oh, okay. Ike! Hello! I see you there, Ike. Ike spotted. Ike, we're doing more Figura. We're figuring it out. Okay, so we want them to be... So what's our sort of midpoint? Might actually be... Yeah. Somewhere in there. Our midpoint. And our extremist is here. So I want to take you and you to there. Cass is doing good. What about you? Oh, but teachers appreciate attending class. Yeah, but what's that appreciate mean? Ah, we have some course on. Okay. Yes, we miss you too, Ike. So glad you're back. How are you doing? How's just got home? Was that class? But how's the exams and stuff doing? I suppose school's being pretty brutal for you as well. Okay, so we want to find out it again. Be about 10 maybe? And then we want to find our other leg maximum. There. But I want to take you up there. Take you there. That. And okay, that's a good start. Naxos! Naxos is still here, awesome. Chaos says gives up better grades on exams, even if we don't. But is that allowed? Shouldn't they just be like marking you on your exam performance rather than how much they appreciate your Adam? I don't like the sound of that. Alex says doing well, dealing with school. How about you? Exams are definitely going, but I'm doing alrighty. Okay, I think the legs definitely come forward more than they go back. So, I want to, I mean, they don't actually go, oh wow, there's a little animation curve. Oh, since when's that been a thing? I only just noticed that. It's actually got like a little, hang on, when you select the component, it actually shows you where it's tracking in the animation. That's so cool. They give us bonuses for better rectangles. Yeah, that makes more sense. I like that. That's okay. But giving better grades on exams? It is what it is. Okay, now let's figure out these arms. Swinging back and forth. Swing. And they stall there. That should be an easy fix. So, see on that. It's the end. See how that works. Alright. Cool. Now let's take the lower section. And then right there it is. Okay, let's see how that looks. Definitely looks like someone who's got somewhere to be. Like our English teacher today told us 3 will probably just get 10 if we write something decent. Oh, okay. And our math teacher said that anyone with perfect or close to perfect attendance get plus 2 points on the exam. Oh, okay. Yeah, I can understand why the lecturers would want you showing up to class. Only to help them feel like they're important. Yeah. Okay, now let's do some body bobbing. Got our waist. Find our max point. Then I think I should just be able to bring the whole thing. Ah. Wait, the legs aren't connected to the waist? Huh. Okay. The legs. Oh. Legs are separate from the legs. Nuts. That means there's no like thing that we can animate. Okay, that's a bit annoying. And -2 for those who never attended any of the classes. Have you spoken to any of the people who never attend classes? Like, do you have any ideas why they're not showing up? I can imagine. And are they doing the work? I guess is another question. I think I also want to have the lower arms swaying a bit, so that when they're like at the furthest back point, like that. Uh, Flat. Highest point. Lily, welcome back! I don't know, I'll have to see during the exams. Oh, okay. Welcome back, Lily! Gail says they might have done everything you said to the class. Okay, and the left arm. Oh, Lily, Ike's here too. Okay, so that's the furthest back point. Let's straighten the arm out. It's not you. Left arm low, that's what we want. And when it's up here. And when it's all the way back here, 1, 2. Okay, let's see how that looks. Wait. Oh, he definitely looks like he's got somewhere to be. And I think once we got the bobbing in, it'll look phenomenal. Wings are hard, no matter what medium you're working in. Wings and hands. I mean, oh man, I'm so happy with the wings I've got going for the angel. I'm pretty sure I've shown you this, but see it again. It's so cool. Here's some of the wing concepts, the wing configuration. I love wings. Oh, I also did some wings. Yeah, you even made the clothes wing. Great. Did you ever see the wings I made for Chaos? I made Chaos a little thing for Chaos in VR chat. It had wings that were had fizz bones and stuff in them. Yummy shout out! How does it know? Oh yes! Of course, we played together in VR, see? Okay, so now we need to do the whole body. Unfortunately, the waist and the legs aren't connected, so that's gonna make things a little bit more difficult. But, find the lowest, so this will be the lowest point, when the body's going to be furthest down. If I grab this and just down by 1, pixel. And here, up and then down by 1 pixel. That means that this would probably be the middle point, so this will be up by 1. This one here would also be up. Now if I play this... Oh, that actually works pretty well. Oh, look at him go. Wow, he looks like a very busy fella. Was thinking of making a clip of that. Huh? Oh, yesterday the grey shadow was perfect. It's kind of weird the way it does that. Yeah, Chaos is beautiful. You have such a cool... I really enjoyed making your OC Chaos. It's always a delight to reinterpret creative ideas. And yeah, I get very passionate about making avatars. Thinking about making a clip of that. Well, it's not too late. I mean, you got the highlight powers. They look so busy. They look like they're stampeding off to talk to the manager. That's the I'm looking for the manager walk. But yeah, I might even go tilt and animate the tail a little. Tail. So, let's see. The low point, it would probably be rotated up a little. Oh, Fox, you didn't answer before. Oh, sorry. Oh, I've been missing a few questions. Very sorry. How far back was the question? Alright, Yummy shout out. Else. Bling. How long ago was it? I don't see any questions. In my stream, running. Never mind, a stream outside. Why you ask? Means why you ask? That's the last question I see. Oh, don't look as well? Okay. Yeah, stacker! Yes, please do ask. I'm sorry I missed it. Let's see. Yeah, I think with the low point, the tail will be up a little, and at the high point, it'll be pointing down. That'd be the high point there, and low point 2, and high point. Yeah, I'm not a fan of that. Actually, maybe it's just going up too much. It's, maybe the idea is good. So, instead of going down that way, we'll just make it... So, up a little. Okay, let's try that. Alright. That's actually not bad. Oh, you said you were going for a walk. Like, a stream walk? But I also remember you saying you only did that when you were in Japan. So I thought maybe... Like Japan? are you going for the outside walk? But if you're going for like walk streams in Germany, that makes sense too. I guess. Does that make any sense? Anywho, let's see how this looks in Craft. Oh, okay. I don't only do that now. But yeah, you guessed right. I guess F. Guess F. I didn't even notice the app until you, corrected. Would have gotten away with it too. You hadn't corrected yourself. Oh, why always if I correct? Also with unsell. I mean, honestly, we're just assuming that you're doing that on purpose. Because unsell's kind of hilarious. Okay, pausing the music a little bit. Let's see. This looks... So, Lily, how's your nail going? Still hurting? No, that one I did on purpose, but the other one times I didn't. Ah, okay. No, yeah, that's what I mean. Like, maybe you should just start doing it on purpose because it's hilarious. A little done back. Alright. Okay, so we've got to not do that for... Wait, is there like an over add-on? Anyway, F5. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I wonder if it's an override for if it's like got something holding in the block. Wow, should I do mistakes on purpose? Well, I mean, sometimes, like, rolling with can be where the best ideas come from. Like, some of the best ideas are... Oh, shh, I'm doing luckies. Some of the best ideas come from mistakes. Okay, I like the way the tail bobs. I very much like how the tail works. Jump animation, we can... Chrissy! What do you think? Been a busy fox. Got walking animations. Oh, I wonder... Hang on. Got something we need to check. How does it look with sword? Ah, okay. We've got to figure out where the handle point for the tools is. Cal says, what is that thing? Oh, Rissy, have you ever played, Starbound? Lily says, Fox, I forgot now how I write that right. Oh my god, Grandpa. How I write that right? How do you write what right? I don't know how to spell. Kale says, when I was talking to my friend today, I wanted to say ice cream in a silly way, and it sounded like eye cream. Yeah. Only the start. No. Wait, Starbound. Did I say Stardew? I meant Starbound. Freddy! Welcome! Freddy! I've made your, shout out thing. I'm sure the bot will, pick up on the fact that you're in chat now and, spit it back to you. You'll have to wait, though. Or I could dig it out if you'd like. Or I could force it trick now. Not that you can hear me, because you're probably in an ad break. Didn't mean that what I should say wrong. I've got no idea what we're talking about. Chrissy says, oh, also meant Starbound, not so. Oh, well, have you seen the Hylotl Starbound? Uh, well, yeah, the cool axolotl features. Nice. Oh, I haven't seen this picture yet. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, these spell. Oh, they look really cool. How do I say I write it, and how do I say it wrong? Right. Still confused. Oh, uncle or uncel? Uncel is definitely the correct way to say it. But yeah, the Hylotl are the cute, axolotl aquatic weeaboo creatures. These ones. And uncel if your uncle is an incel. Oh, maybe we should play Starbound together, because I haven't played Starbound in ages. I think it's a great time. I know it had some like rather interesting development issues, but a good game's still a good game. We've been playing with we were playing it with the Fracking Universe mod, which makes it really, really good time. But yeah, that's... Oh, look, Freddy says, I was looking around earlier. Sorry to hear about your nail, Lily. Ah, yes. It's okay, it only hurts if I touch something. That's good, I'm glad. Right, you're not hurting. So, how do we... Let's see if we can find some more documentation. Item location. Also, I want to figure out how to do armor. I feel like that's important. Because when they equip armor now, it's obviously like all over the place. It says, what happened? It says, wait, what did you do? Oh. Oh, right, Lily was wearing fake nails and they were playing piano on stream. And apparently they hit the piano hard or at the wrong angle or something. It split the fake nail, and the fake nail also split their real fingernail, and it's not pretty. An action wheel? Nope, nope, nope. We're not getting into that just yet. Like says, oh, I forgot to say hi, Freddy. Aw, cute. Uh, maybe some custom items? Item thing. Item? Um, so he says, wow, tell it to the entire world, Fox. Sarcasm, by the way. Oh, I thought I'd just save you from having to type the whole thing out, because, you know, you got fingers. You thought nails messed up, but yeah. Um, sorry, I'll leave it to you until next time. Let's see, Um, item anchor point. Anchor points. Oh, fix left item pivot or right hand item pivot as parent types in Blockbench where the help item appears. That's exactly what I'm looking for. As parent types render the item at the pivot point of the assigned group, allowing precise placement. That's exactly what I want to do. Custom item position. Shield hook. Render item. Event. Like to override the default item. Okay, no, I don't think we need to worry about that just yet. Foxo is doing his best. I am! Thank you! Always. Lily says, yeah, like you bestest with English. Like, hang on. Yeah, like you the bestest with English. The very bestest. Yay! I'm doing the bestest for my besties. Hold item pivot in Blockbench 0s, which is the default hand position. Interesting. Just the group's pivot point in Blockbench and assign it a anchor. I am broken spoken. Well, like I said earlier, some of the best ideas come from incidental mistakes. So it's no biggie. Okie dokie, let's see if we can add an element. Add a locator? Is that what we'll... My hat is making boo. Wonderful. Freddy said, work is crazy today, so I'm going to have to return to my lurking. You're excellent coffee companion, so... Alright, happy lurking, and thank you so much for visiting! And good luck at work! Not even time to do my drawing. Oh no! What's the point of going to work if you can't even draw while you're there? Anyway, good luck! Oh, here we go. Parent types. This is probably what we'll... Parent types. Applying parent types via Blockbench. Head, headphones, head. Magic head? Headphones? Interesting. Lily says, oh, Dad, are you proud? I failed Spanish again. I'm always proud of you, Lily. Mandatory? I got some almonds I could get. Am I done? Why don't you ask Ike? You should ask Ike for help with your Spanish homework. Ah, here we go. Mimics often transport offsets of the right arm. Vanilla skull. What are you about? Figura? It's the Figura thing, right? Yeah. Oh, here we go. Parent type. No, that's not it. Pivot type. Oh, pivot types? Oh, here we go. Okay, pivot parent types. The location of the specific vanilla parts, the pivot point of model part. Same pivot parent types are in a... He says, no, I can't speak Spanish in Spanish with Ike. Okay. Let's read the start of this. Parent types. Parent types are applied to the model parts to apply specific behaves. Applying parent types via Blockbench. Apply a parent type through Blockbench. The group's name must start with the parent type. Only can have the parent type applied via Blockbench. So, if we name right arm to right arm upper, and right arm lower to just right arm. Let's give that a try. Upper, and we'll rename this to just right arm, and this right arm, and rename upper. Maybe. So, it says, wait, Ike. I don't know if Ike's still here, but if they are, Ike, you are being requested. Arm upper, and left arm upper, and then just left arm. This one to just left arm. Okie dokie, Control S. See what happens. Please. They says, I forgot something, Fox. What did you forget? Do you remember what you forget? Daily German word? Sure. Although I'd much rather a daily Japanese word. But if daily German word's what you want to do, then we can do that too. Oh, really the same. Doing daily German words without bar here. You want Japanese? I mean, if you don't mind. I would prefer Japanese. That's okay with you? Please reply to my tweet. No. But you already speak Japanese, like half. No, not even half. I know like barely like the starter stuff of Japanese. Like I'm very poor in Japanese. Half is yeah, not even close. Let's see. A little Oh, that did it. That was it. Let's go. Doesn't rotate, but that's okay. Oh, that looks so cool. Okay, it's a little bit off. Sure. German is funnier. Yeah, you're right. Hang on, wait, it's not working. Okay, never mind. I thought it was working, it's not actually working. Looked like it was working for a minute. Well... yeah, it's using the default animation for the weapon. Yeah, it seems like the acts a little in Japanese. It's very cute. Pa upa, pa upa. That's very cute. Pa wait, upa kupa? Wait, isn't that upa kappa? Right, you got mom to do that. Yay! Ah, Oopa Roopa. Yeah, 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 Oopa Roopa. I'm for German. Okay. Oopa Roopa. That is very cute. Blockbench Figura. Custom animation. Item anchor point. Custom item positioning. You render item trigger. Find specific offset item. Interesting. So did I get it right the second time? Oopa Roopa. Oopa Roopa. I do love the axolotls in Minecraft. My German word is hi. Oh, hi is shark. Interesting. Hi, hi. Item position. Maybe that's the keyword we need. But yeah. So, Lily, if you want to throw a German word at me. Oh, wait. Oh, that was the German word. Hi. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought that was Japanese. Okay. Hi. What's the Japanese word for shark? Shark. It's a gura. It's got gura, isn't it? Or Japanese. Well, it does sound Japanese-ish. Um, okay, use Blockbench's anime system to play when the item is held. The animation by the item render. I like the Yumi says I like the Japanese word for seagull. It is Umineko, which translates to sea cat. Ah, that is adorable. Umineko. Rissy! Rissy says rawr. Rawr. Rissy, would you be interested in playing Starbound with us when we're done with Stardew? Stardew to Starbound? Yeah, he says, and there is a specific type of seagull in and there is a specific type of seagull in Japan that meows. Oh, interesting. So he says, I think it's the same as Sekka? Is that Sekka? In Japanese. My katakana isn't as good as my hiragana. Open individual. I just need to set the anchor point. what? Right, custom animation, item position. Okay, move animation ID, blah blah blah. Custom item position. Item event. Actually, nah. But I don't want to. I just want to set its anchor point or its attachment point. Item attachment. It is summit. Oh, summit. Okay. What if? Okay. So left arm lower, and then set this one to left arm lower, and then right arm lower. Think. Okay. Right arm lower. So what I'm thinking is, if I set this quote-unquote right arm thing, I think it's trying to find the pivot point of it. So it's like hooking it to the elbow. But if I make another group within the right arm lower, right arm, and move its pivot point. Wait, no. Yeah, right arm. And move its pivot point to the hand. So there. Maybe this is what we're looking for. Come lower. Add a group. Left arm. And so to there. What if this works? Like says, I never, is that right? I never use that word. This is why I did the mistake. I always said useful words in German. No, I teach you shark. Fuck. But shark is very useful. It's here in Australia, it is. Yeah, you gotta know where the sharks are out here in Australia. Hey, yeah, that sharks are very useful word. Mean. Germany, you won't see sharks, I know. But what if I go to Germany and the Australian sharks follow me there? I'll need to warn people. Shark in the sky. Yeah, exactly. Ever heard of sky sharks? Sharks in concrete. Oh yeah, they eat straight through concrete. There is no stopping an Australian shark. When they want you, they'll the tunnel sharks, of course, ones that like dig through the earth, like you know, like horrible little sharky moles. Sharks everywhere? Yeah, we got sharks for everything. Sharks for every occasion. Nope, that didn't fix it. It's pretty good. Sweet. They says I get afraid, Mom, I can't sleep now. It's okay, Lily. I'm still in Australia, so the sharks can't get you. Probably. Well, this is quite the do. I can't really find much information on. Let's try these Reddit articles. Sometimes Reddit can be helpful. I'm in Japan, so yeah, they can. Oh, wait, you're in Japan again? Wait, I thought you said you were still. So confused. I thought you said you were still in Germany. Also, how did you get back to Japan so quickly? Weren't you studying? School? Uh, I fly at night, so then when are sleeping normally? Huh? Also, what are you why are you back in Japan? School in Germany. Item key. Item thing, item two, item a Blockbench group. The item by starting the group item timed and ready to be used as an item. Now the item event. Item group vanish. So will every item group. It has to be item with capital I. Lily says Japan is pretty, and I life in the town. Yeah, but how did you get like ramen? Yeah, but did your parents like send you to Japan? Like, or did you just jump on a plane? Just wander down to the airport and jump on a plane to Japan? Like, how's that work? Okay, so how did you afford a plane ticket to Japan? Flights to Japan aren't cheap. So where are you staying while you're in Japan? I thought you said you didn't have any money after spending it all on clothes. Uh, Chat. Oh, okay. Yay! Item okay, no, but we don't need to show some items. We need to change where the items, like how the item's animated. What if Blockbench Figura? Uh, change item in animation? Wait, I told you I'm back. I said you guessed right. Oh, yeah, no, I thought you meant I guessed right about the other thing. Um, about just wandering around in Germany. Okay, it's sure you. Wait, model made with bones? Made with bones and Blockbench? Oh, you can. There's an add armature thing. Okay, well, I'm not worrying about that. He says, oh no, I'm in Japan, sorry. Okay. How long do I think I'm flying? It's a long flight from Germany to Japan. Flights. 15 hours, yeah. Oh wait, no, that's a 10-hour stopover in Shanghai. Let's see. Are you? I mean, don't you need somewhere to stay though? Uh, then to we don't really find flats. Oh, I probably should save it. Oh well. Hour. What's that? Stopper? Hour. Like 16 hours? I have like 10-hour stopovers. Why is everyone stopping over? Oh, okay. Oh, okay, no, the stopover is only like 3 hours. Okay. But national? Stopping in Frankfurt? Okay. Is there a direct flight? We want one way, one passenger, Frankfurt. Stopping over there anyway. And I live alone, I mean, I kind of... It's always working for everything, even if we are there. Oh, yeah, 12 hours, 13 hours. Yeah, it's a long flight. 14 hours, 15 hours. It's a really long flight. Oh, instruction. Is that what we need? No. I don't want to add a rig though. I just want to change the, like, anchor. Animation, Figura. Okay, these are the command. Uh, wait, Rissy, no, I don't need to ask. Rissy says, you do. They says, no, I don't. Probably pouting. Place specific item. It says, I bet my parents don't even notice I... Good luck, Lily! Oh, find function. Searching for the ID source. Ah. Function events. Item render item. So you can have best item keys inside one another and do not have more than one custom item per instant of the item key. Okay. Let's go! Where are we going? Can I come too? I got points to guide the raid again. Oh. Okay. Do you have someone in mind? I'll look at my ever-expanding list. Okay, awesome. So it makes it easy. Unwanted. Item group. Okay, I think... Oh, welcome back, Lily! I think this right here is the important bit. By the way, I'm live with my older sister. Oh, you have a big sister? We could raid into Lily. So in Blockbench is where the player will be an item in the world. Sibling. Oh, okay, so you're saying with your sister in Japan. Cute. At least you got someone to stay with. Wait, me? Yeah, why not? I mean, you keep saying that you're a streamer, and that keep bringing it up, so why wouldn't we ask? I'm streamer. Yeah, exactly. Of course I believe you. I'm just saying, like, if... why don't you, let us raid into you so we can, you know, spread the love? Suspicious? Suspicious about that? Yummy! Hello! It says, you know that I don't tell you guys my stream account. Of course you don't. Okay, you'll be item in the... That's not true though, because that's 00... Wait, is it? Hang on. Where is 00? Hang on. If I grab... Yeah, you're at 00, so 00 is down here. Why would you lie to me like that? Yemi says, I never left, I just zone out and zone into whatever I'm doing. Yeah, that's good. Good, I'm glad. I'm glad you're locking in. I mean, are you locking in? Are you winning at the dragon? Figura thing? So where are you asking now? Because you brought it up. Awesome. You got this, Yemi. Go, Yemi, go! Oh. No, you said you're live with them. By the way, I live. Oh, okay. Okay, so I thought you meant you're live and you're streaming with them. Okay, so you're living. Okay. I think the way you'd write that is, by the way, I'm living with my older sister now. You know, avoid confusion. Okay, what if we tried this item keeper? It says you'll get upsetty spaghetti if we try to... My English is like I'm a kid. Like, from a... Wait, my English is like from a kid, damn. It's cool. What if we tried this item keyword that they've mentioned a couple of times? So item, item 2. Give this a go. Okay, let's see if this works. No way could it be that easy. Wow, 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 wow. Ow. Okay, pausing the music because it's all scratchy. Ignore the 3 cat on keyboard. Ah, Nugget wants to say hi. Cute. Hi, Luddle. Nope, that didn't work. Oh well, it was worth a try. It's so close to figuring this out, too. I just give up and... I am very tempted. No, Lily, I think they mean that, their cat walked on their keyboard and hit the 3. They only have 1 cat. And it's Nugget. Have you not seen Nugget? I'm starting to think that this might be a bit, might be asking a bit too much of me. I can send you a Discord image of a Nugget. Yes! See the Nuggets. Well, you know what? I think we've done enough. Animation stuff. Let us do a little bit of texturing, and then I think we'll call it a day. Before we do any texturing, we've got to do some laying out, because I just kind of like threw all these everywhere. What I want to do is, I want to keep, well, preserve the Minecraft standard sort of, layout as much as I can. So, these are the legs. Leggies. Individual. Extras? Oh, no, okay, we don't want to move. That's actually a really cool feature. Wait, Nugget is the cat? Yeah, Nugget's the cat. That's cool. Not what I'm looking for. I want a individual cell. Are blocks just like buttons config? B mode. Her face, that's what I want. Okay, cool. So I want to go back to UV mode, box UV. Down to there. Lily says, I needed to realize that. Shocking revelation. Um, it is shocking. I actually thought it's a human with Nugget as their username or something like that. Now I hear that. I mean, I think Nugget's enough of a personality that they count as being human. Okay, well let's start with these ear or head flap thingies. So, wow, Lily, thanks for the hydration. Okay, so wanna go face UV. This is gonna be kind of a hassle, I'm not gonna lie. I think rotating's, yeah, like this. Okay, so we want to have here. Have this one next to it. So here. How did you manage to model the chin? Oh, I think this, yeah. So if you wanna, are you familiar with Blockbench? If you wanna like do some more like non-cubic modeling, you just take the object, you right click it, I believe, and then convert it to a mesh. And that'll change it into, you know, a mesh, like this one here. You can see in the outliner, it's got a little diamond next to it. And then that'll allow you to go here, section mode face, section mode edge, and you can actually start moving stuff around like so. And yeah, that's how I did the gen. Yep, but I don't understand complex shapes. My UV getting messy after when I try to change faces. Yes, so that can be difficult. As long as you don't change them too much, it'll be fine. What I like to do is I like to get them, so thanks for the follow. What I like to do is I like to get them as close, like for the tail here. This is a mesh. What I like to do is I get them as close as I can, the shape I want them to be, with cubes, so that it does the automatic cube unwrapping. So that's right. So anyway, get them as UV unwrapped as I can with the cube mode, and then I convert them into a mesh, make the changes, and then that's generally worked out pretty well for me. Like you can see there is quite a bit of warping here. That line's, you know, a bit of warping there, a bit of warping in there, but it's not too much. So again, as long as you make minor tweaks and shifts and edits, it's generally okay. But if I, for example, move this in, for example, it's going to cause all sorts of headache. Yeah, so that kind of like gets all warped and twisted, and there's really no way around that. But yeah, Thank you, mate. Sorry for interrupting. No, please. I really do appreciate questions. If you have any questions or suggestions or requests, please let me know. I am very appreciative of any questions you might have. Let's see. Okay, so right now I'm just kind of like laying out these. Interesting. I mean, that's right, but okay. Mew, hello! Welcome! Back, Screamcat. How you doing? Oh, Mew, would you be interested? So, we've been discussing what we might want to play next. By the by, I'm making a high lotl from Starbound. We were thinking about maybe starting up a Starbound thing next, after we're done with Stardew Valley. Would you be interested in joining us? Okay, and that's the end. So that's kind of how I think we're going to. That can't be right though. Grab these fellows. Go to UV mode box. Oh, hang on, UV phase. Select all pieces. Can we? This is interesting. Just overlay all of would that be possible? Lily says, Fox, by the way, can I still play violin at least? Or no? I don't know. Why are you asking me? Do you have your violin? Did you take your violin with you? Okay, seems like it's not gonna let us... Wait, it is... It is making changes. Huh. I have a violin here, but I don't know because my nail, that's why I ask you. I don't want to make it... I don't know. I don't know. I have no idea. I've never played violin. Love this music though. This is a Lily says, yeah, but still thanks for I guess trying. Oh, yeah, okay, but still thanks I guess for trying. Yeah, you're gonna have to use your own best judgment for that, Lily. I don't know how much your hands are involved in violining. But I think we've done enough for one day. Actually, today's been very productive. Chrissy, did you still want to direct the raid? Well, while Rissy is deciding on that. Yes, always. Okay. I have in mind. Burley's currently streaming. Poltergeist is streaming. Koge Sushifu's streaming. I think you had us raid Twiggy once before? Give me a little. Oh yeah, take your time. Yeah, today was great. We thanks. See you. Yeah, today was great. We figured out how to do animations. Animation overrides. We got a neat little sort of running, walking animation happening. The legs. Let's bring that up. But yeah, we've got our brisk walking animation. It's like a Karen running off to to speak to the manager, but look pretty. Oh, okay. Twiggy Tree. We're raiding Twiggy Tree again. But yes, we got our pretty dang cool animation. I love how it bobs slightly. That's a nice touch. It looks even better in Minecraft when you've got all the physics around. We spent a lot of time trying to figure out how to get the item attachment. I think I'll do that off stream. Yeah, I'll do some more research into that. Maybe I'll Scammy. I know. Scammy's very smart when it comes to Figura. But yes, I had a really fun time. I hope you enjoyed too. Very special thanks to Lily. And oh, last dude, hey! And Rissy, thanks for the raid. Oh, have my name? Oh, just chatting you out for your phenomenal Figura skills. Oh, tomorrow is more Angel. Oh, Chaos, hello! So tomorrow we're working on the biblically accurate VTuber. I think we'll be finishing her off as well. Because you're Lily says, why me? Because you're so engaging. I really do appreciate how much you're engaging in chat. You really help to keep the place alive. It's not the same without you. But yes, thank you so much everyone for coming along. Tomorrow is biblically accurate VTuber. I think we might be very close to finishing off the character. Going to be doing touch-ups, doing side view. I think we might have one, maybe two more episodes after that. We get to modeling. But yeah, thank you so much everyone. Yes, it's working. But yeah, thank you so much everyone for coming along. I hope you enjoyed. Actually, yeah, huge thanks for everyone coming along. It was very quiet at the start of the day. I was a little worried I might be screaming. But it actually turned out really good. And I had a really fun time hanging out and chatting with you all and showing you what I've learned in Figura and Blockbench. And I look forward to doing this some more. Now Fox Raid. Yay! Okay, so yes, we're going to be raiding into Twiggy Tree. But yeah, say hi to Twiggy for me. I'll be in the Discord later if you want to hang out some more. But yeah, till next time. So much for coming. I love you all, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.
FBI, open up already? Whoa! Sleepy! Thank you so much for the raid. Hold on, let me hit you with the shout out. How's streaming? Fox raid, welcome in. Speaking of foxes, we have another fox in here right now. Hi guys! I hope you all are having a wonderful day. If you guys need to raid and run and get some rest, especially our lovely streamer, please go get some rest. But what? What? Back to back? Hold on, let me hit you with a shout out. Brinley, nice to meet you. Flowers for the season. What? Thank you. That's so sweet. I love flowers, man. Aww. All the flowers for you too, man. Let me hit the follow. Aww. How are you? Is that a goat plushie? Similar. I don't know what this guy is. You know, we named him Giggle, but he's just a little guy. It's nice to meet you though. Hello Fox siblings. Yes. Well, welcome in raiders from Friendly Stream and Fox's stream, and Yemi, thank you so much for the follow. And Yemi, I guess you could say you're the goat. Sorry. But hi Chaos, thank you for the follow. But nice to meet you. If anyone from my chat doesn't know any of these people, they seem really chill.